Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve Google detected unusual activity on the account you are trying to access. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So if you are getting this error while logging into your Google account on a new device, for example, what you can do is make sure you don't have any VPN connected. So if you are logging in from an unusual address, it's going to give you this error. So make sure you have turned off all the VPN on your device. It can be your mobile device or your computer or laptop device. So make sure you have turned off VPN and try again. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can click on more options and tell them to send you a message on your phone number or email address, whatever you have set up on your Google account. And once you do it, this should fix your problem. However, if all of these steps don't work, you can log in from your old device, and this should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.